Hello my friends, in this video I'll do my best to explain to you 3 Russian words that you've never come across these kind of words in your education if you learn Russian, and I'll do my best to explain to you these words, the meaning of these 3 words with my little English level. If you're ready, let's go. First, the Russian word sounds like sutki. Sutki. In English language we have this kind of word like day. In Russian sounds like день. But a Russian word sutki we use if we're talking about hours, because sutki has 24 hours. And a Russian word sutki we use more often and mostly if we're talking about work. For example, I work all day. I mean day plus night, 24 hours. And this situation, I mean day plus night, 24 hours, we name like sutki. For example, I work all day. After that, I will rest 2 days at home, for example. And after that, these 2 days, I will work again. And in this situation, we use Russian word sutki, 24 hours, understand? Yes, I sometimes when I learn English, I've come across this kind of phrase like last 24 hours or last day. In Russian language, we use only Russian word день. For example, последний день, last day, последний день. If talking about hours, 24 hours. In English, I've come across this phrase like last 24 hours. But in Russian, we would use like последние сутки. Последние сутки. Yes. Sometimes we can say like, and if talking about numbers, we can say like последние 24 часа. If talking about real 24 hours. But more often we use exactly sutki. Sorry that if you want to understand it, what I want to tell you, because it's really complicated for me, for my English level, to explain to you this topic, this word. I mean the meaning of this word, because I think that only native Russian speakers understand this meaning of these 2 words like sutki and день. One more time, sutki we use if talking about work. I work all day. Day plus night, 24 hours. It means that we're talking about 24 hours. Sutki, understand? So go next. Word number 2. Успевать or успеть. This word we can translate into English like manage to do something, or I will do it on time, or something like this, yes? But for example, phrase or sentence like I'll do it on time, we can translate into Russian like я сделаю это вовремя. On time, вовремя. But exactly Russian word успевать mean something differently. Yes, the meaning of these 2 words like вовремя, on time, and Russian word успевать, the meaning of these 2 words are the same. But if talking about using, we more often use exactly Russian word успевать, because Russian phrase like вовремя, on time, is more official phrase. Russian word успевать is more if you will use this word in your Russian speech, you will sound like real native Russian speakers. For example, just imagine I'm hurry up and I'm late. I'm going to railway station. Yes, I don't have time and I'm late. And if I will arrive to railway station on time, I will say like я успею. I will arrive to railway station on time. Literally, we can translate this sentence in Russian like я прибуду на вокзал вовремя. But this sentence you can say more shortly and more like a real native Russian speaker. I would say like я успею на вокзал. Я успею на вокзал. Not я прибуду на вокзал вовремя. It's very long. Say more shortly, more easily, more simplicity. Like я успею. I'll do it on time. Я сделаю это вовремя. But sorry if I confused you, but you should know that if talking about I'm late to somewhere, I can say not like I will arrive to somewhere on time. I would say like я успею, ты успеешь, она успеет. Understand? It means that I will arrive to somewhere on time. I hope you understand me. Or if talking about past time, for example, I arrived to railway station on time. This sentence we can translate into Russian like я успел на вокзал. Yes, literally we can translate this sentence like я приехал на вокзал вовремя. But please say more shortly, like real native Russian speaker. Я успел на вокзал. It means that I arrived to railway station on time. And the word number 3 sounds like пошлость. Пошлость. This word пошлость we can translate into English like vulgarity or vulgar. I hope I pronounce this word correctly. You should know that in Russian language we also have this kind of word like вульгарность. Vulgarity we translate into Russian like вульгарность. But at the same time we have differently word like пошлость, and this word doesn't translate into English because I will explain to you. Vulgarность, vulgarity, located in this level, on this level. Пошлость located on this level, understand, if talking about rude, because пошлость, Russian word пошлость, is more rude word if talking about something vulgarity, understand? For example, this kind of phrase like vulgar questions. There are vulgar questions. We translate into Russian like вульгарные вопросы. But if you want to use this word more rude, because, for example, you are located in very bad situations and you wanna tell your friends more rude this word and explain this situation more literally, I hope you understand me. You can use in your Russian speech Russian word пошлый. What I mean? Not like вульгарные вопросы. There are vulgar questions. You can say like пошлые вопросы. Пошлые вопросы. Or, for example, you are vulgar. She is vulgar. I am vulgar. Yes. In Russian we can say like this. Ты пошлый. Ты пошлый. Она пошлая. Она пошлая. Or я пошлый. Я пошлый. Yes, we can say more easy like я вульгарный, ты вульгарный, она вульгарная. But if talking about more rude word, yes, we use this word like пошлый, пошлость, understand? Ты пошлый, она пошлая, я пошлая, они все пошлые, understand? So I hope that you understand everything what I wanted to tell you about these 3 Russian words and the meaning of these 3 Russian words. And if you liked this video, if you like this kind of video, I mean when I explain to you very seldom Russian word that you never come across this word in your education if you learn Russian, please write in comments about it, and I will understand that you're really interested in these kind of videos, understand? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.